Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of typing in the same password or PIN every single time you log into Windows? What if I told you there's a more personal, creative, and secure way to unlock your computer? Well, there is. It's called a picture password, and it's one of the coolest, lesser-known features in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Instead of typing characters, you just draw a few simple gestures on your favorite photo. It's faster, it's fun, and it adds a great layer of personalized security. So, if you're ready to ditch the boring login screen, stick around. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to set up your very own picture password. Let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing we need to do is get to our Windows settings. You can do this easily by clicking on your Start menu button in the bottom left corner, and then selecting the little gear icon that says Settings. Alternatively, you can just press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. Now that we're in the Settings menu, we need to find the Account section. Click on Accounts. From there, look for Sign In Options. It's usually marked with a key icon. Go ahead and click on that. Here you will find several login options, such as face print, fingerprint, PIN key. Now, a quick note here. If you scroll down and you don't see the Picture Password option, it's most likely because you have a setting enabled called Require Windows Hello Sign-In for Microsoft accounts. For Picture Password to appear, this option must be turned off. So just click this toggle to disable it. Once that's done, click on the Home tab, or any other tab, then click on the Accounts tab again, and then go to Sign In Options. The Picture Password option should show up. Okay, this page now shows all the different ways you can log into your computer. We're going to scroll down until we find Picture Password. Once you click on it, you'll see a button that says Add. Let's click that. Windows will ask you to verify your identity first. This is just a security check. Go ahead and type in your current password or PIN. Alright, here's the fun part. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an option that says Choose Picture. Now you can browse your computer for any image you want. It could be a picture of your family, your pet, a favorite vacation spot, or even just a cool pattern. I'd suggest picking a photo with a few distinct points of interest. Think of a landscape with a mountain, a tree, and a lake, or a picture of a face with eyes, a nose, and a mouth. This will make it much easier to set and remember your gestures. Once you've found the perfect image, select it and click Open. If you're happy with how it looks, click Use this picture. If not, you can always choose another one. Now it's time to create the secret code. You need to draw 3 gestures directly onto your picture. You can use a combination of circles, straight lines, and taps. Remember, Windows records the size, position, and direction of your gestures. So, a small circle around a building is different from a large circle around the same building. A line from left to right is different from a line from right to left. Okay, I'm going to draw my 3 gestures now. Watch how I do it. Once you've drawn your 3 gestures, you'll need to confirm them to make sure you remember the sequence. Go ahead and draw the exact same 3 gestures in the same order. And if you've done it correctly, you'll see a confirmation message. And there you have it. Your picture password is all set up. Now let's try the new sign-in method. Indeed, Windows is showing me the image I chose as my password. I'll first perform the incorrect gestures to see how they affect the sign-in process. You see, the sign-in was rejected because I used the wrong gestures. Now let's try entering the correct gestures. Excellent, the sign-in process was successful. But what if you try it out and decide it's not for you? No problem, removing it is even easier than setting it up. Just head back to the same sign-in options screen we were on before. Click on Picture Password again. See that? The Add button has been replaced with a Remove button. Simply click Remove, and that's it. Your picture password is gone, and Windows will go back to using your previous sign-in method, like your PIN or your main account password. Finally, don't forget to re-enable the Windows Hello Sign-In for Microsoft Accounts option. So, that's how simple it is to add and remove a personal and secure touch to your Windows login screen. You've not only made your computer more secure but also made the login experience uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, could you do me a huge favor? Hit that like button, it really helps the channel out. And if you want more easy-to-follow Windows tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Got any questions? Drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.